In this video, I'll show you where to get discounts for Fashion Nova. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and in the Google search bar, type in discount codes for Fashion Nova, and then hit enter. And now you're brought to the Google search results here. So you've got all the big third-party coupon promo sites. You got Coupon Follow, you got 10% off Fashion Nova, Coupon, Simply Codes, Join Honey, Coupon Cabin, coupons.com. So you can check out any one of these third-party promo discount sites and use their codes there. But one I really like to use is one called Coupon Follow. So I'm going to click into this, and if I scroll down, they've got other deals here that you can have a look at. And also you can see these codes are verified as well. So code verified, and these codes do change daily or weekly, just depending. Alright, so for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the one that says 10% off. So grab an extra 10% discount on chosen products. So now to activate this code, what you want to do is copy this code and then paste this code at the checkout section of Fashion Nova to receive your 10% discount.